Appreciate you checking out our page. If you like classic cars, want to see me go out and chase classic cars, and as we sell them, please hit the subscribe button, guys. If you grew up around these cars and you like what we do, subscribe. Majority of our clients that follow us are not subscribed, so if you want to see more of our content, hit the subscribe button. Also, if you're already subscribed, leave me a comment that you're subscribed. I appreciate you checking out our page. Let's get into the video. Let's go. What is up, guys? Rob here at Bob Evans Classics. Got this 1968 Ford Mustang Coupe up for sale today. We're gonna go over the full vehicle. We're gonna go over the good, the bad, and if there's any ugly, so you know exactly what you get before you get it. Complete walkthrough, panel by panel, scratch by scratch. We'll also start it up, check out the interior, check out the undercarriage, do a complete full walkthrough of the vehicle. If you like classic cars, guys, and you want to see all of our classic cars as we get them in, please hit the subscribe button right now. Pause it, subscribe, and then you'll get notifications every time we post a car. And also, you can watch me, the classic car buyer, go out and buy them. 1968 Ford Mustang. This is a 289. C code paired with an automatic transmission. We got power steering in this one, power brakes, dual exhaust, vinyl top. You got buckets with the middle console. This vehicle has been completely restored. If you watched the episode where I went out and bought this, husband and wife got a divorce. The wife got this in the divorce and she sold it to us. He did a lot of work to this car. Undercarriage is all new. Paint, interior, mechanical. It's clean, inside and out. Let's start like we normally do. We'll start with the paint test. Look at the paint. We'll see my reflection. This vehicle's reflection is really good. The paint shines nice. You can see me. I'm putting up 2 fingers there, 1 finger there. And you can make that out really good. I'm gonna say the paint is probably an 8.5, maybe a 9 out of 10. The only thing I would do is put a nice compound on it because you do have some swirl marks, and that'll make this car shine even more. So paint is nice on this. When you overall look at it, it looks like it all matches, nice color. You don't see any different panels that are different colors or a different shade. You really overall don't see any major imperfections in the paint, any big dents or anything like that. So paint is good. We'll do a door test. Start off what we normally do, driver's door. Door closes awesome. I barely shut that. And you can feel the hinge here, guys, when I'm closing it. It's got some resistance. So it's not like easily, you could tell the hinges are new. They may need to be greased up. Shuts perfect. That's one of the most perfect door shuts I've seen and felt. If you look over here at the gap is absolutely perfect all the way down. You go to this side, the gap is also very, very nice. So gaps are good. Let's look at the body lines. A little dirt right there. Body lines look nice and straight. That line down there looks good. Also, I don't see any Bondo or anything like that on this car. I don't see any patches, or sometimes we'll get back here. We'll get a nice big round spot of Bondo, and I don't see any of that here. I don't see any bubbling in the vinyl top. That all looks good. Let's go ahead and look at this door. This door looks good. I see a little, looks like a little scratch there, but that's in the clear. That'll buff right out. It's not at all, just like a little swirl. This fender also is good. I don't see anything. Bottom of the fender's good. Bottom of the door is good. It's got these GT wheels, hubcaps. Tire is, tons of life left. Tire's good. Moving on to the front of the vehicle, but before we do that, let's take a look at the windshield. That looks good. I don't see any flaws there. In here, they usually rust out. I don't see any rusting or anything. Good. So far, so good. Okay, I do see a little superficial scratch here. You can see that. That is not in the paint. That will also buff out. It's a little bit more severe than the other one. It's a little dirt. The rest of the hood looks nice. Chrome looks good. It's got the nice fog lights. Now guys, I don't know if this is a true GT. You would definitely have to pull a Marty on it. We have not pulled a Marty yet. Okay, now I do notice the gap on this side's a little bit more compared to this side. Just a little bit, not much off. But it does sit good. Definitely looks good. Okay. This fender, little scratch right there. A little one here. This one may be in the paint. It's close. You can see it's little nail size. This tire's good. Wheel looks fine. This gap looks beautiful. Same with this. Guys, this is just an overall clean car. I mean, I don't see anything that sticks out. I mean, you really have to find stuff, like, not even there. I'm trying to find stuff, and there's not much on this. Maybe pitting here. Here's a little bit of pitting. Like, you can replace that. Maybe the trim here. Up here looks nice. There's no bubbling at all. I do see a little imperfection in the paint here. Right here, looks like the clear. I don't know if you can see that on camera, but a little spot there. But I'm just nitpicking at this point because there's really nothing wrong with this car. Gap looks good. Same with that. Chrome looks good. Solid car. Let's also test the door on this side. We did not. Oh, that's nice and hard. Okay, this one's a little bit lighter, and no, did not shut all the way. Give it a little bit harder. Good. I think, honestly, this one shuts a little bit better, even though the driver shuts and you got to put pressure. I feel like the hinge is much tighter on that side than this. I like it a little bit less. I think that one needs to be greased up. So, nice tires, good wheels, clean, the lights look good. Let's go ahead and look under the car, and then we'll go inside and then pop open the hood and check the trunk. Okay. Undercarriage. Beautiful. It's not full of spray or anything. This is all just the way it is. And you could easily undercoat this and make it look beautiful. But I like it the way it is. I like when stuff is not messed with. Looks like a new tank. There's your rear. Probably paint that rear black. You could do that to make it nice. Also paint the bottom of the car. But it definitely looks good. Nice and clean. It's the way I like it. A one-hander there. $289. This is a 2-barrel power steering. I don't see any leaks or anything. Inside frame rails look good on both sides. Looks like a new alternator. Fan also looks new. Valve covers are time period correct. It's got the nice stickers there. Everything seems to match very, very well. Let's also grab the keys and look inside the trunk. See if we can do this in one shot, guys. There we go. Got the right key on the first time. And this is the way a trunk should look. So it looks like new quarters, new trunk panel that was done. Yeah, very, very nice. One thing I would say back here at some point, this is going to need to be replaced. It's showing some signs of age. It's got back speakers. Seats look good, back seat. Headliner looks beautiful. That's the way it should be. Door panels look good. Carpet looks good. Other side looks good. Dash good. All good. We're showing 96,945 miles. Purrs like a kitten. Oil pressure showing all the way high. Our temperature's down right now. We'll see if it comes back up. Gas gauge works. Check and see if the lights work. Lights are turning on. They work. Both of them work. Brake lights work. Gauge has got the blue, which is nice. Left turn signal. Left turn signal's working. Right turn signal, good, works. Last but not least, I hear it. Horn does not work. I heard it for a second and went off. I hear it barely working. That gets to be addressed. That's the only thing on this car that does not work. Wipers work. You can hear it, but it's not loud at all. So the horn button's working, the horn inside is not working. These are your replace. All right, guys, up for sale now. BobEvansClassics.com. Give us a call or go on our website. If it's not on our website, that means it's sold. You also got full VIN here, the plate, power steering car, all that good stuff there. If you're interested, guys, give me a call. Go on our website, BobEvansClassics.com, 215-801-9493. Talk to you guys later. God bless the USA. Let's go.